Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. And here is the first glimpse at the Galaxy S21 FE, which means the wait is officially going to over. Everyone is buzzing about the Galaxy S22 series, which will be Samsung's flagship phone in 2022 and will be released in February. But Samsung is also releasing the Galaxy S21 FE, which is a kind of flagship phone, in January. We saw the marketing materials and the body cases of the phone in my previous S21 FE video, which gives us a closer look at it. But today we got the hands-on photographs of the actual phone. If you have been following the channel, the phone looks pretty much like you would anticipate. It's made of polycarbonate with metal frame, has an Infinity O display cutout and a camera housing that looks similar to the Galaxy S21. The LED flash appears to be in the same place as in leaked case images and the display appears to be fully flat. The speaker, SIM card tray and USB-C port are all located in the phone's lower edge. But there is no 3.5mm headphone jack as I told in my last S21 FE video. To don't miss such information, make sure to subscribe the channel and turn on the notification icon to notify you whenever I upload a new video. So coming back to the Galaxy S21 FE, in these hands-on photos via Twitter-based guy has a dark grey finish. But rumors suggest that the device will be available in 4 colors including grey, light green, light violet and white. If this is correct, it means that the phone will not have nearly as many color options as the Galaxy S20 FE did at the launch, which is somewhat surprising given Samsung's recent push for more customization options via bespoke edition devices. Perhaps releasing 6 color options globally was too difficult a logistical challenge for Samsung, or perhaps the company will add more customization options after launch. Returning to the phone's design, it appears to be very similar to the Galaxy S21 even from the front. But if we look at the front side, the bezels appears to be little less than S21, which will provide a great experience of content consumption. Let's go over the phone's specifications quickly. According to the new reports, the S21 FE will have a 6.4 inches Super AMOLED screen with a refresh rate of 120Hz, a Snapdragon 888 SoC to power it and a 4500 mAh battery with 15W fast charging. In terms of cameras, there will be a 12MP plus 12MP plus 8MP configuration. If any new or surprising reports come in regarding it, I will make sure to keep you updated, so stay tuned. Let me know what do you think about these images in comment area below. With that said, feel free to subscribe and I will see you in the next one.